subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Poco has launched its new affordable 5G phone under M series in India called Poco M6. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Poco M6 5G features a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate and up to 600 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4, 6 or 8 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Poco M6 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the unspecified auxiliary lens. For selfies, it has 5-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13, with MIUI 14 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 168 by 78 by 8.19mm, and it weighs around 195 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Poco M6 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 10,499 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 11,499 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 13,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from December 26 in Galactic Black and Orion Blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Poco M6 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.